18 world leaders, when they were not famous. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Pakistan, December 25, 1876, September 11, 1948. Recep Tayyip Erdogan, Turkey, February 26, 1954, age 66 years. Nelson Mandela, South Africa, July 18, 1918, December 5, 2013. Donald Trump, USA, June 14, 1946, age 74 years. Saddam Hussein, Iraq, April 28, 1937, December 30, 2006. Hassan Rouhani, Iran, November 12, 1948, age 71 years. Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, Saudi Arabia, December 31, 1935, age 84 years. Angela Merkel, Germany, July 17, 1954, age 66 years. Vladimir Putin, Russia, October 7, 1952, age 67 years. Justin Trudeau, Canada, December 25, 1971, age 48 years.